Hey, let me show you an easy method how you can fix that issue when you cannot connect this speaker into your phone, tablet or PC. So first of all, you have to just turn on your speaker by clicking on the power button. When the indicator lights up, you are gonna click on the both buttons, the volume up button and the play button at the same time, and keep holding until 3 buttons lights up and then lights down, and you can release. Now when you turn on this speaker one more time, we'll just turn it on and enter for the pairing mode automatically, and this icon will start blinking and the speaker gonna make sound. And what you have to do right now on your phone, just go to the Bluetooth settings, try to pair new device and select your JBL Flip 7 and accept pairing request. But if it is not working, you can just go back into settings of your phone and you have to search for reset options. So in my case, I will have to go for the system, go into reset options, and here just simply try to reset Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi settings, restart your phone, not reset, just restart, so turn it off and on, and then try to make connection one more time.